Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to show you some more things. Basically I'm just going to pick up the data from the database and I just want to show you that how we can work using the database. So I'm going to the new tab and basically I'm just opening the localhost /php myadmin because I just want to make a new user and the new database for this project. So there is my database. And what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to click on the new to create a new database. Here the database name I'm just renaming as AJAX for now. Okay, so let's just click on the create and then you can see that this is the AJAX. Let's just click on the AJAX and now you know that it has no tables, so we just need to create some tables. I'm just going to create a table here. I'm just renaming it as posts, or no, sorry, not the post, the users is perfect, users. Now how much columns will require for, and just click on OK, the go, and then here for the first one that the UID, the ID is really important, and the second one I'm just typing here the U name, and the third one as U email, user email, and the U number, the contact number. So now the name must be text, the email must be text, number must be text, okay, because I'm not gonna get any kind of calculation with this number, so it should be the text, and the UID must be integer because exactly it will be the primary key. So the primary and the AI, and just click on the save for now. No need to do any other thing, and it is created here. You can see that. Let's just click on the users to put some kind of data. For now I'm just clicking on the insert, and what I'm just putting here, I'm just putting some kind of data like click here on the uname and just put the data like here. The first of all I'm just putting my name here, the Shazaib Kamal, and the second one is the email gdskhamidi@gmail.com, the number as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, whatever. Let's just simply click on the OK button, and now you can see that I have a single result here. So then what I need to do, I just need to go to the server. Basically I just need to create a user, so I'm just clicking on the user now, and now I'm just gonna click on the add user, and here I'm just typing AJAX, or I think for the AJAX is perfect, no problem. And I'm just typing here, not typing anything, just simply selecting the localhost. The password, I'm using the use text field, and I'm just typing here the ASD123, simple ASD123. So let's just go to the to just click on the check all and then click on the go button, and after that you can see that the AJAX is there. So then what more I need, I'll just do all these things, all the things which is required in the next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.